What are you doing, Titus? Well, Merry Christmas, beautiful snow people. It is, what day is this? It is Wednesday, the 24th of December, 2025. And it is Christmas Eve day. Headed up to Bryan Head. Looks like I'm going to be on Navajo. It is not a punishment. And we're going to go up there. It's going to be great. Look, refrigerator magnets and stuff. So yeah, gonna head on up on the shuttle, I think, if I can get there on time. We're gonna have us a little ravioli bowl. It's gonna be great. So yeah, gonna head up. It's gonna be great. I'm on skis today because I want to be a little bit more useful. So I can't pull a toboggan or carry stuff with my ski bike. So that's a bummer. I'm going to have to figure out something. So without further ado, let's hop in the truck and get going. Let's go. Alrighty. Oh my. Whoa. Almost went in the chasm. Very wet morning. It is 37 degrees. It's not great. Well, beautiful rain people. Conditions are what I would call subprime right now. It is almost 40 degrees. We got the snowcatting. Yeah, we have a really apparently wet and warm storm about to hit, I do believe. So hopefully temperatures will go down a little bit through the day and we'll get snow instead of rain. As you can see, it looks like it's been raining. We don't want it to rain here. We're not an East Coast resort where you guys are used to that sort of thing. That is not optimal for us. we don't know how to ski in the rain. Anyway, so the day is what day is this? It is December 24th, Christmas Eve, and I, of course, am on Navajo from way back. It is not a punishment, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it'll be fun over there anyway. Today is not usually the super busy day, and if anybody looks at the weather, it'll be even less busy. We'll see. Yeah, I'll be on skis. It should be fun. Regardless, we'll have a good time. I don't know if I'm on night ski tonight. We'll find out. I don't know. Find out. And let's get on into the patrol room. There's no one here yet but me. I don't think. We'll find out. Ooh, lights are on. Let's get on in there. Get to doing stuff.
I'm gonna go through half of it today. So
Nice. Training.
More tomorrow. More soon. You know? The color safe practices. MCP defines it as a generalized set of rules that have developed to ensure Bryan employees are knowledgeable.
A little bit of a punishment. Oh my, this is gonna be fun. Ice. As always, the first thing we do, and my favorite thing, is this ice or slush. It's icy slush. Not a good combo. Like 17 people putting up the tuna net. Always good times. Here's cloudy Bryan Head. It is crazy windy, not super ideal, and raining very lightly right now. So it should be fun. Let's go. All right, This is lift line on 4 over here at Navajo. It's terrible. It's really bad. It's so much worse than it was even last Friday, or whenever Star and I came up. I honestly have never ever seen it like this at Christmas. Makes me very sad. Yeah, so right now it's kind of raining slash sending down these little balls of ice. That's why I'm squinting more than normal. My eyes are even more beady than normal. And I don't think I'm going to be able to ski every run today, my friends over here. We're supposed to get, it sounded like a few inches between now and Sunday. We need more than a few inches though. We need a lot. Very sad. Hopefully it's not too loud. All right, we'll talk to you in a bit. Can't really see anything. Goggles are covered in rain. Even the groomers are, they're doable. So, it's a little better than nothing, right? You're gonna have to fix that bamboo next time. Wow. Wow, wow. Sorry, beautiful snow people. This is not the video I wanted to make. Not at all. So yeah, don't be hitting the, don't go to the side hits. These rocks, a lot of rocks. I'm sorry guys, I sincerely wish I had better news. Oh, there's some ice. Woo-hoo. Okay, be careful. There's ice out here. Not at all what it's supposed to look like during Christmas. Here in Portland, Maine, we're not in Portland. And then, out of the mist, came 2 Navajos that are about to need to start hiking.
In addition to the signs on Tier 6, we have 2...
This is so bad. It's not funny. It's terrible. It's tragic. No. Oh, that was a sweet move. Oh. Ow.
Did we get a wind check on Tier 1?
Oh, that was a nice little hop. Nice little hop. All right, so this is Cody, one of our new guys.
Hey, Jazz.
Kennedy's smart enough to walk.
How you doing up there?
Oh, this is not great.
Not great.
Not great at all. Oh. Never have I seen it like this. Not even in the spring. Alyssa, tell me about the conditions out there right now.
I would describe the snow as mush. Not slush. AJ, just mush.
But doesn't it make it more fun that there's still a little bit of ice under the slush?
It's really fun to break through, yeah.
I'm gonna risk going outside to put my raviolis out there. I really don't think they're actually gonna stay. I don't think they're gonna stay frozen. Thanks, pal. If I'm not back in 20 minutes,
We'll come looking.
tell my kids I love them.
We'll send a search party for you.
Thanks, man. Oh. Not good. Oh my. Wow. Here you go. Stay. I don't know if I'm going to be there when I come. Definitely not good. I hope they're checking the wind. Alright, so I am actually just walking down to top of Kodachrome here to put up a sign. Oh, this probably isn't great for my ski boots. They're not great hiking boots, really. One brave soul willing to make the sacrifice. Okay, well, woo! So the sign wasn't down there after all that anyway. So now we're gonna hike back up. This is not how Christmas is supposed to be, my friends. Not how it's supposed to be at all. Oh my gosh. Although, ooh, a rainbow. That's something we've never seen here on the Ski Patrol channel. It's a rainbow. Oh my goodness. Wow, that wind is really pushing me. So, in case you're wondering, the gusts are at least up to 47 miles an hour. And there she is, Alyssa, Navajo. Dude, there's a rainbow over there. That's not the way it's supposed to be.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so everybody, this is
Haley!
Haley. Is this your first season?
This is my first season.
Nice. How do you like our rain today?
I love it.
Isn't it the best?
It's an adventure. I love the rain.
The rainbow's almost gone now.
I need some wax in these bad boys. Stick it.
Yeah, right now it probably doesn't matter. Isn't that bad? Okay, it's bad. Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Wow! Jesus! Stay in your lodge room and relax. That's what I recommend. So Haley is, I'm talking to the camera.
Oh, my bad.
So Haley is doing some real ski patrol work right now, making signs. They don't put this at Park City Ski Patrol videos.
Last one. And so I wanted to go somewhere where there's a lot of rocks.
I got that. Good times. So, my Thrill Minute Action Pack mission is to now get that sign over to the top of Kodachrome where I hiked to earlier. Currently, it's raining / ice balls. I'm not sure exactly what rain / ice balls are, but it's what it's doing. Not the best. Still on the impossible mission to get the sign up. And the wind is really hard. I'm really trying to blow the sign over, so we're gonna go. The rain has finally kind of turned to snow. It's a little bit more like slush. So really, really wet. But it's a lot better than straight up rain. Giant Steps is getting a bunch of snow right now, so that's good. Sounds of slush. Lynn's is covered in rain snow. Sorry about that. My legs aren't used to skiing yet. Or these skis. Poor choice making. I can barely see through my goggles. Oh man. I think we'll ski over to 6. See what's happening over there. This is nuts, man. You get somebody to look at my skis. I cannot. Bindings don't seem to work properly. Can't just step into them. That's not okay. Oh, slush. It's fantastic. Yikes. Yes, I just used my butt. That's the only dry part of me at the moment. Ah, so nasty. So, it is very, very wet. How wet is it?
I was dry when I left the bottom. Now look at this.
Little wet.
Can I see your picture?
Looks like our guest figured it out. It is not good. Oh, this is such a bummer. Well, I am very, 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 very glad that the rain has switched to very wet snow, but I'll take any form of snow over rain anytime. Wow. All right. Yikes. Not great. Not great at all. Oh man. What are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do? Suck it up and keep on sliding, I suppose. So the purpose of this slide is to go look at the lines, the ropes and everything down here on Navajo that kept blowing over. We'll set them back up if that is the case. Yay. Well, the lines are still up, so that's fantastic. So, got surgery on my knee, in case you weren't around before. Got surgery on my right knee, meniscus, back in February, and it's working pretty good. I did tweak it a little bit earlier, but knock on wood, it seems to be working at the moment. Difficult. So, one of the main things you do on ski patrol, of course, is maintain the boundaries. Okay, that's not great there. Yeah, so pro tip, the more windy it is, the lower you put the rope, the center little axis there, the better. So. Yeah. That wasn't on purpose. Not super.
To the bottom of Kodachrome Bear.
Whew, okay.
Hey, firm.
Okay. Yeah, that wasn't on purpose. Whew. Scared for my knees there. Got a little bit of a tear in my left knee. Also a meniscus. But I think it's really small from what they said on the MRI. We don't want it to become larger. We want to have that stay a small tear. So we're gonna go ahead and get back on the bike. Yeah. Go. So crazy. So crazy. Well, it stopped snowing and it's kind of raining again. It is so cold, man. It's so cold. My hands are soaking wet. My goodness. I apologize for the wind noise. I couldn't figure out a way to make my microphone work with all this gear on, and they're not waterproof. So here we are. Yeah, the wind was about 47, probably gusting over 50 miles an hour. Almost all day, up here at the top and over there on one. I'm hoping, cross your fingers, that tomorrow is much better. I'm hoping that it snows all night long tonight. Actually turns to snow, not water or ice. I realize it snows in front of the water. Hopefully it doesn't, actually just turns back to snow. And it stays that way and actually accumulates for tomorrow and for Friday. I will definitely be riding my bike on Friday. Oh, that's not great. That is not great out there. What are you doing there?
Was her nail like lifted off?
We're signing off candidates so she can become a full-blown patroller. Well, like her nail was like up.
I didn't want to like stare at her when I was in there. I just glanced and I just saw blood.
That's what we do here.
It's
We
what we
tape
do.
off the
It's a
screws.
really important job.
Very important. Somebody's got to do
We're
it.
just lacking in budget. We can't afford more screws, so I have to get the tape off this.
That's actually so true.
We built a shrine in honor of our gloves that used to work. Off we go. Got a ninja up. Gloves soaking wet. Just the way I like them. Sure looks cold out there. AJ looks really cold. Yeah. How'd it go for you today, Cody?
What's up?
How'd it go for you today?
It was good. Got some things signed off, which is nice. Got wet
Yeah.
a few times.
All part of it, right?
Straight buns.
Where did you come from?
From ski school.
Okay. Nice. Good. How long did you do that?
This is my 8th season.
Holy crap. Wow. That's cool. Definitely never seen a Christmas like this, huh?
This is crazy. I've never seen it.
Me neither. Me neither. Me neither. It'll be alright. Jesus. I'll go to Navajo.
Okay, I'm gonna go do tuna with
So, as you can tell, today has not been super great, but I don't know that I was gonna say I've had worse days, but I really can't think of one. When you get crazy wind mixed with rain, mixed with and ice, it's quite the combo. Alright, well, I'm gonna get sliding. We'll see what there's to see. Hopefully nobody's down here. I'm really guarding my knees, honestly. The snow is really heavy.
Get that.
Patches are starting to get covered up though. So that's good. I don't know if they're gonna see me over there for wave offs. I can't see anyone over there. It's really stinging little ice pellets. Not great. What a day. I did not expect it to be like this. I don't know what I was thinking. It'd be just wonderful light fluffiness. It has not been wonderful light fluffiness at all. So miraculously, our rope line is still up. Very glad. Now the question is, whew, how do I ski through this? Those are giant rocks. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Well, okay, there's worse things. Trying to see if anybody's over there on Maryland Parkway. I don't see anybody. Oh man, I spoke too soon. God dang it. That's just gonna go on the board. No one wants to wait for me that long. So we'll get that in the morning. Wow, what was I saying? Oops. Maryland Parkway. So we're gonna keep sliding. Keep on sliding. That is so cute.
If you are too
It's a
far
nice
away,
looking
I
house.
can do it.
Somebody's yelling.
Thank you.
I need to actually go get the slow sign and move this out of the middle of the run. I don't know that a snowcat will actually come through here today, but just in case. All right, well, so I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a day from here. It's been a doozy. I don't know how fun it'll be to watch. I apologize. So I was talking to one of the other ski patrollers about this channel and why it exists. And the reason it exists is simply so you guys know what it's actually like to be on ski patrol. Because very rarely are you going to find a video where it actually shows what we actually do all the time, day to day, just at least at a smaller resort with not a lot of avalanche potential.
Yeah, you know what, work time, gotta go first.
It's just regular work. I mean, as you saw, it's a whole lot of boundary markers and marking hazards. It's just regular work. So, anyhow, and just dealing with the crazy weather from time to time. Anyway, so if this is the sort of thing you like for some crazy reason, I appreciate you watching. If you wouldn't mind, please like the video and subscribe and do those things. And if you have any questions, by all means, ask them in the little comments thing, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, and I will try to get this up as quick as I can, and we'll talk to you guys later. I'll be back on Friday riding a ski bike. Merry Christmas! That was so cool! Yes, I just used my butt. That's the only dry part of me at the moment.